How to use text to speech in ClipChamp. Well, without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. First thing, you can go ahead and import any media that you would like to edit on ClipChamp. Let me add in this particular file here right away, and once it's been added, you can drag it to your timeline. Now, suppose you want to add text to speech here, right? All you gotta do is now simply click on record and create option at the top left here, just below top left here, and then you can see screen and a camera, screen, audio, and text to speech. Click on it, and once you click on text to speech, you can go ahead and add in text. For example, hi everyone. And what all you gotta do is you can choose the voice here. If you wish to hear the voice, you can click on hear this voice, and you can go ahead and preview it and then click on save, and it should be added here onto your video on timeline. So this is how you can easily add text to speech. Now it's taking some time to buffer here. So I hope this video helped you to like and subscribe.